In this video, I'm going to show you how to make an insanely precise blowgun that shoots razor-sharp darts through plywood. For this blowgun, I will be using a 2-meter long piece of aluminum pipe. You're also going to need a two-way adapter that fits the pipe and has a mouthpiece that's roughly 2 or more centimeters. The first step is to make sure your pipe is no bends and is straight. Then I'm going to place the end of the pipe on the floor and measure up to around my hip. This gives you a rough estimate on how long you want your blowgun. Remember, you can always cut it to suit later. Then I'm just going to put it in my bench vise and cut it with an angle grinder. If you don't have a vise or an angle grinder, just use a hacksaw and get a friend to hold it steady for you. After cutting halfway through the pipe, my battery went flat, so I had to go put it on charge. But don't worry, I've got backup. It was then that I realized that it would be easier to cut if I switched the handle from the side to the top. After you cut the pipe down, you will notice that the edges are pretty rough. I'm just going to clean them up using my grinder, but for those of you who aren't as lucky, you can just use a normal bench file. Now that my pipe looks pretty clean and mean, it's time to add the mouthpiece. This is probably the simplest part. All you have to do is unscrew the cap, thread it onto the pipe, and re-screw it back into place. How's that for simple? Now I have an insanely lethal blowgun that's dying to be used. That's all for this project. If you want to see how I made this lethality, consider hitting that subscribe button and sharing with a friend.